destroyed the democratic process, and the people that suffer are the poor people of Haiti. We need a rule change in the Congress supported by the White House. This is why the president needs to come out and explain to the American people what the hell's going on in Haiti and why is it so hard to get something there, because most of the people in Haiti are reluctant of us to send the Marines in again, like they were there for almost 10 years at one time, and they had the blue hat helmet UN soldiers there for over 10 years, and nothing improved. We need a plan, Haiti. Right now, the CARICOM, the Caribbean nations, have put forth 8 or 9 people. Most of them are from one political party, the Montana Party, who was sponsored by Representative Maxine Waters and the old Aristide regime. The people of Haiti will not accept this proposed solution. And the Congress need to approve weapons going to the Haitian Army and the Haitian police.